What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy Z Flip 3. That's right, 5G, and this thing just came in today. It is for release today. So if you want to pick this up, I'll leave some links down in the description. This device here is very affordable, one of the most affordable. It is probably the most affordable foldable right now that is a flagship type device. Obviously you have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but that's north of $1,500. This is $999 for the 128 gigabyte or $1,049 for the 256 gigabyte. I picked up the 256 gigabyte Phantom Black. It also comes in green, lavender, and cream, or you can get some of those Samsung exclusive colors, the white, the pink, or the gray. Now this is a foldable dynamic AMOLED 120 hertz display that folds a little different, or flips, not folds. I gotta stop making that mistake when I talk about both of these devices. Now, this is my second foldable. I did pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You can check out that video on my channel. I'll leave some links down in the description also, but let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a first impression. Now, this comes with the 6.7 inch AMOLED display, like I said, 1080 by 2640. Now this is stealth. This is the Phantom Black. We're gonna go ahead and take off the plastic. Oh yeah, this reminds me of like a, I don't know, executive looking phone, almost like a BlackBerry type device. But just look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Wow, this is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy on. It has a side mounted fingerprint reader here on the side. Now it has that screen there, which is a lot bigger than the first original Galaxy Flip that had a smaller screen. This is 1.9 inch, so it's a lot bigger than it used to be when they first came out, the first generation. So you have a little bit bigger screen there, about a 512 pixel count there. Android 11, Snapdragon 888. Okay, so you got a flagship type processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM for this 256 gigabyte ROM or storage that you get on here. You got dual cameras on the back right there. You get a 12 megapixel wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide. You can do 4K 30 and 60 for a long time. And also you get a front facing camera here on the front. Right there you have that hole punch. Not like the Fold that has an under display camera there. This has the 10 megapixel front facing camera, 4K 30 on it. But this is just, let's go ahead and, ooh, yeah. Doesn't that just feel nice? Real nice. Oh yeah, it's a little different. Yeah, it's cool because you could just kind of put it in the pocket. Yeah, this is, man, this is stealth. I know some other people got the green, I mean some other colors, and that green's tight, but man, this black is just looking stealth. Look at that. I mean, that is just beautiful right there. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that nice? All right, so let's see what's inside the El Boxo. They don't give you that brick charger. You get your SIM tool, ejector tool, SIM ejector tool. Okay, yeah, you're gonna be all right. All right, and then you get your Type-C cable here, so you can charge. If you have a charger laying around from your other Samsung phone, then you can do that. But definitely a really nice looking device. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back here because I'm gonna set this up here in a minute. Put that there. But man, this, it's funny because I'm like, I never really was into the foldables, but now I'm kind of making that move to try these out. Third generation, they're probably a little better now, but I do want to show you the difference. I have the Z Fold 3 here. I have it in a case right now. Let me go ahead and take that out. Sorry about that. But that is the This is the fold here, and then you got the flippity fold, and then, you know, obviously you can flex right there. So if you want to do your thing, you can. All right, and then you got this. Big difference, but hey, they're different devices. If you ask me, they're just different. But this is interesting. It's a tall boy. This is a very tall boy. I don't know if that bothers anybody, is that crease in the middle, but it's cool because you can maybe do some Zoom calls or do anything you want to do with this. Some other stuff about the phone: stereo speakers. I don't know if I mentioned that before. It only has a 3300 milliamp battery, so it's got a small battery, where the Fold has a 4400 milliamp battery, but that's a bigger phone. You get 15 watt charging, fast charging. You get 10 watt wireless charging, so you get wireless charging on here too. But this thing is just beautiful. This thing is pretty cool. I don't know which one I like, the Fold or the Flip. I'm going crazy here. And then you have the you get water resistance. It's not dust resistant, but it is water resistant, IPX8. And you get, you know, you have an attractive looking device, man. It's got a great display here. I didn't like the first one. The display felt plastic, but this is Gorilla Glass Victus, okay, that you have on here. So you have a legit screen here that they have made. This thing's bananas. And it's interesting because you could just, man, throw this right in your pocket and then open it up and do your thing. Very cool looking device. Very, very cool. There's that Samsung brand in there. Very cool. And it's $9.99, man. You can really pick this up for really a good price. It's one of the most affordable foldables to date. But I don't know about the durability. If you ask me, what bothers you more, that crease or the notch on an iPhone? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the thing you have to gauge. I don't think, you know, I'm wondering how long these things last, the Fold and all these other devices. But listen, I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna ride or die, check it out, put this in a case, and see how it goes. Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all for watching and checking this out. I'm gonna have some more videos like this on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, also on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, both 5G. So but yeah, this is pretty cool.